If you're looking to start a business in Michigan, one of the first things you're going to need to do is set up your LLC. So today, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step. Now, we're going to talk about the two ways to do this. You can either handle everything yourself or use a business formation service to take care of everything for you. There are a ton of good ones out there to use, and I'll pick one as an example just for the sake of this video. So if you're looking to set up an LLC in Michigan, you have come to the right place. So hang out because I'm here to walk you through everything. Quick heads up, I've put affiliate links in the description for everything we're covering. If you do use them, I earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which does help support the channel. So what is an LLC? A limited liability company or an LLC is a type of business structure that is flexible but also gives you liability protection. So by forming an LLC, you form a separate legal entity for your business, meaning your personal assets are separate from your company's liability. So if your LLC runs into any legal problems or even debt, your personal assets should be out of the picture. LLCs also give their owners flexibility in management, taxation options, and the chance to bring in multiple owners, known as members, who can share in the company's profits and losses. All of these benefits have made the LLC a popular choice for many new and existing entrepreneurs. Now, like I touched on earlier, you can set it up two different ways. So first, I'm going to teach you how to do it all on your own. So obviously, first, you need to choose a name for your LLC. Make sure the name you pick is unique and hasn't already been taken or similar to another business. Checking out the Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs through the Michigan State website is a good start, or just a Google search would work just as well. So when it comes to naming your LLC, Michigan has very few requirements. Of course, the name should be unique, and the name must have a limited liability company, either spelled out or abbreviated in the business name. On the other hand, it cannot have the words corporation, incorporated, corp, or inc. Now, next up, you need a registered agent. A registered agent's job is to be the middleman for important legal documents for the business from the state. As long as an individual is a legal adult resident of Michigan, they can be a registered agent for the LLC. Now, be aware that an individual needs to be available during state business hours. So if no one can do that, there are services out there that can take care of this for you. So definitely consider all of your options. Now we can actually move on to creating the LLC. Michigan does this by officially filing the Articles of Organization with the state. Your Articles of Organization will ask for some info like your LLC's name, the address, purpose, registered agent's name and address, and the name of who is organizing the LLC. State fees are due with the application. The fee is $50, and you can file your paperwork online through the Michigan.gov website, by mail, or in person to the Corporations Division Bureau office. Now, next up, you should create your own operating agreement. Michigan doesn't require LLCs to have one, but having one makes sure all of the members are on the same page. Even in a single member LLC, it's still always better to have, since it's often considered a blueprint for your business. The agreement should have the breakdown in ownership, members' rights and responsibilities, how profits and losses are divided, what happens in the event of disputes in the business, and the procedure if a member wants to leave or close the LLC altogether. Now, these documents are often called living agreements, meaning they can and should be changed at any time to show any changes in the LLC. Next, you need an employer identification number or an EIN for your business. An EIN is kind of like your business's social security number. Having one is crucial to opening a business bank account, applying for a business loan, hiring employees, or even pay business income taxes. Getting an EIN is free and can be done online or by mail directly through the IRS. Finally, you need to get your business ready for taxes. Now, LLCs are mostly considered pass-through entities. That means the business itself isn't responsible for reporting and paying taxes. That responsibility is now passed on to the owner or owner's personal tax return. Now, Michigan doesn't collect state tax if your LLC is considered a pass-through entity, but if your LLC is classified as a corporation, then your business would be responsible for the state corporate income tax of 6%. Along with these taxes, be sure to be prepared for self-employment and payroll taxes if you plan to have employees, along with sales tax. Now, sales taxes are applied to the sale of physical and digital goods and some services. Getting your sales permit is free, and you can get it online through the Michigan.gov website. Right now, the tax rate is 6%. How often you need to submit taxes to the state depends on how much tax you collect. Filing requirements range monthly to annually. All right, along with everything else we've talked about so far, you must file an annual report to keep your LLC active with a $25 fee. It's due by February 15th each year, but if your LLC is formed on or after September 30th, your annual report would not be filed until the following year. All right, so I understand all of that seems like a lot, but there is an easier and less stressful way to get it all done. I, for one, don't have the time, the patience to do any of it myself. And to be honest, I will mess something up. So that's why I went with ZenBusiness to set up my LLC. In my opinion, it's a great option, especially if it's your first time starting a business, since they make it super easy to do. Now, of course, there are other great options. I've tried LegalZoom, Telebrands, and Swift Filings. And if you're curious how they compare, if you want to check out what we're covering today, we have affiliate links in the description. Using these earns us a commission at no extra cost to you, which really helps support the channel. All right, so if you have never heard of ZenBusiness, it's a popular formation service that helps you handle the legal and compliance side of starting a business. They simplify the process of starting and managing a business, particularly for those new to entrepreneurship. It stands out for its user-friendly platform, great pricing, and a range of services designed to help take out the complexity of starting and running a business. Now, let's go through how you would actually apply for an LLC using ZenBusiness. The first step is to click the Start an LLC button on its website. From there, you just put in your name you picked for your LLC and select Michigan from the drop-down menu. Next up, you're going to answer some questions about your business, and the system will suggest any extras you might need based on your situation, something like a registered agent. Then you would just pick the ZenBusiness plan that works best for you. It starts with the free starter plan, and you only need to pay the state filing fee, which makes it a budget-friendly choice for new entrepreneurs. This tier covers essential LLC filings with a 100% accuracy guarantee and includes a 30-day free trial of their web tools like the AI website builder, domain, and business email. From there, their pro plan costs around $200 per year plus state fees. It adds 1-day rush filing so your application is processed as fast as possible. You also get your EIN and a customizable operating agreement template included, which does save you from having to pay for those as separate add-ons later. It even includes ongoing compliance with up to 2 amendment filings at no extra charge. And if you want the highest tier, the premium plan is about $400 per year plus state fees. It includes everything in the pro plan with premium essentials, such as their registered agent service to protect your privacy, a one-on-one business advisor consultation, and a 60-day trial of Money Pro to manage your invoicing and taxes. Plus, you get the full business documents library and advanced compliance coverage, which gives you 24/7 monitoring, a money-back guarantee on missed deadlines, and unlimited amendment filings to keep your business records current as you grow. So whether you're just getting started or looking for a more streamlined way to handle the paperwork, ZenBusiness gives you a few solid options to choose from. Well, basically that's it. It really is that simple. You can try setting up your LLC in Michigan yourself, and hopefully it won't stress you out, or let a business formation service handle the process for you and make the entire process simple and easy. It just depends on your situation and what works best for you. If you're short on time or you just want to make sure everything's done right, ZenBusiness is a solid option. They guide you through the process, handle the filings, and even include helpful extras like compliance reminders and an operating agreement, depending on the plan that you choose. But if you don't mind doing a bit of research and you want to save some money, then you can just do it all yourself. The good news is you've got options, and it's not as scary or as difficult as it sounds. All right, so that wraps up this video. If it was helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. And if you're thinking about trying ZenBusiness out, and don't forget, you can find the affiliate links for what we covered right below this video. And if you do use them, we earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which helps support the channel. Also, if you're interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.